If they are reading a book, suddenly they will start reel. So nowadays Instagram reels are so many. So why Instagram reels are so famous nowadays? Because the concentration duration is so less in today's world. If you see, like, maximum in Indians, or sometimes that the concentration level has gone so much down. That's why we are seeing so much high rise of ADHD cases, autistic cases, hyperactivity cases, where they are not able to focus and they are not able to sit and study. And nowadays maximum parents I see that without TV they ke khana nahi khate, means without any mobile they don't eat food, or they are not eating food just sitting at one place. This is all coming from that deep tuberculosis that is inherited. And in India, every society, every house, there will be some or the other one who has a tubercular history in their family. So just imagine how uh, tuberculosis is running so deep from generation to generation, and how pathological diseases it has been producing.